you can get
down, up. Wait, what did you say?
Welcome to the Boys Toy Reviews, where we do reviews on the toys that you can get right down the road. That's right. And today we have got one of our favorites, Heroes of
Go Get You!
Yeah! Alright guys, so for those of you that do not know, Heroes of Goo Jit are these awesome, squishy, fun, super cool toys, right?
And there's this.
Oh yeah, but these ones are even cooler. We're gonna tell you about that. But every series comes with like a whole new thing. This one, it comes with the Smash Strikers. So we like to have battles with these things.
That's right. And
we love to have battles with these things, so this is gonna make it even cooler. You can find these awesome Heroes of Goo Jit made by Moose Toys. By the way, thanks Moose Toys for sending us this. But you can find these at Target, Amazon, and Walmart, all for less than $15. And these toys last for years. At the Boys Toy Reviews, we have one thing that we love to do.
Yeah.
And it's called unboxing
time. Okay, let's get it. Come on, let me know.
This Tygor one.
Tygor is in the house, and look at that. Wait till we see what this is.
Dad, why is it not doing that?
Nana would love this thing because this is Wahoo Wah colors, orange and blue.
I got it out.
Oh, all right. Let's check her on out here. So, look, we've got a nice little attack mode right there. So, as you guys know, all the Goo Jitsus have their own separate cool little filling. But as Zeke was showing you, this guy is our favorite, I think. Ooh, look at the paws on the back. Pretty cool.
I'm gonna see it.
But yeah, look, check out the... Oh my gosh, he's got some orange in there, and he's got some weird little things in there. There's Z's, look, for your name. Ezekiel.
What? Oh, I think that's because we do all those cool videos.
Oh, they do all the cool videos, so they put the Z in this one for you?
Yeah.
Nice. Guys, check it out. This is Tygor, but look how you can just fight with him. It's like, yo, bro, you want a problem?
Apparently you will come here and play on Zeke. Oh, you always Grandpa's.
Oh, so you would crush Grandpa with this one. But I do like these. So these the Strikers, which there's a bunch of different ones you can get. But they did use Tygor, who's one of the originals. Yeah. They used Pantero, who was one of the originals. They used Blazagon, who was one of the originals.
Blazagon?
Blazagon is the red, cool dinosaur who will crush you.
Oh, you mean this guy?
Yeah, that's who I mean.
Oh, yeah.
There's a million different ones you can choose from. I heard they have a new Minecraft one. Did you hear about that?
No.
There's a Steve Minecraft Goo Jit out there. Zeke, I want that. Give it back, Zeke. Oh my gosh, take it, give it. Oh, he stole it. But anyhow, guys, thanks so much for watching our video. We can't wait to see you next time. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.
Thank you for sending all this cool stuff to us.
Yeah, thanks, Moose Toys. You're the bomb. Guys, make sure to check out the Boys Toy Reviews, where we do reviews on the toys that
you get down the road.
You can get right down the road. We'll see you next time, and go get you some new Goo Jit.